Hi friends, how are you doing? As you know, we are going through a pandemic. The coronavirus has terribly shaken the world. We are not here to explain much about the do's and don'ts. This is just an awareness or a reminder for your safety, as this is a new strain of virus and researches are still going on. Please follow the World Health Organization guidelines and UAE Ministry updates for the latest news and information.
UAE Ministry has set up a helpline number to provide immediate assistance to people to deal with the situation. 00971 5637 13090 is the dedicated WhatsApp number to contact for all your COVID-19 queries and point you in the right direction. You can also post your queries in your social media accounts with the hashtag AskDXBDoc, and Dubai government will provide with accurate replies. So, please make sure you follow only authentic media and trusted sources rather than circulated messages.
UAE Ministry of Health has asked citizens and residents to avoid traveling due to the current situation of the coronavirus outbreak and its spread worldwide, especially in high-risk countries. If you have to travel outside UAE, please note that preventive measures will be taken upon return, such as strict medical checkups and quarantine.
Airport checks involve arriving passengers to undergo thermal screening. Passengers with high temperatures are sent to hospitals. Some passengers are re-examined manually. A medical swab is taken for the lab test. Finally, all arrivals undergo additional thermal screening as they are leaving the airport safely. All these may cause inconveniences and disrupt our plans and schedules, but it is for our own safety, as safety always comes first. In these times of epidemic, it is best to avoid travels that aren't really urgent. As you might be aware, traveling causes inconveniences and confusions to the residents of other countries as well, and puts everyone at high risk.
Ideally, we were supposed to be on vacation right now, but we had to cancel our flight tickets to India. It was indeed a difficult step for us, but we had to do it as a safety measure.
We are aware that many are facing similar situations. Keep watching this video to find out steps to be taken for ticket cancellations, and comment below if you have any related inputs and queries. We hope this video would be useful to anyone in such dilemmas.
So, what happens to those of us who have already purchased tickets? At the wake of the coronavirus threat, many have been cancelling their pre-planned trips. This is when all the leading airlines in UAE has come up with no change fee and refunds with certain conditions. The full benefits are only available if you have purchased the tickets directly from the airline websites such as Emirates, Etihad Airlines and Air Arabia.
Waiver policy is applicable to all the bookings made before 31st March 2020. They provide customers with flexibility to change their travel dates without change and reissuance fees. However, if there is any difference in the fare, it will be charged to the customer. You can change your tickets to travel on any date within 11 months of the original purchase date. Those who have tickets booked in UAE on or before March 5, 2020 can make one change or request cancellation on unused tickets without fees. To reschedule your flights without incurring change fees, you'll need to contact the airline's help center directly. Now, what happens if you have issued tickets via other websites like Tajawul, Cleartrips, etc.? In this case, cancellation fees will be charged and refunds might only be partially available.
World Health Organization has declared COVID-19 as a global pandemic and there's a state of emergency around the world. UAE has taken all precautionary measures in accordance with international health standards. There are isolation rooms in all governmental hospitals and thermal detectors on all air, land and seaports. As residents of UAE, we respect and appreciate the rules, restrictions and preventive measures taken by the country in order to safeguard the people. In these times, it's our utmost responsibility to follow the rules and take precautions to keep ourselves and the people around us safe and secure.
All around the world, major events and programs are being called off. Any kind of social gatherings, parties, conferences are best avoided if it is not essential. Yes, Precaution is better than cure. There has been no effective vaccine or medicine till date for the coronavirus. Precautionary measures include basic hygiene of regular washing hands with soap and water, regular baths, washing clothes more often, and sanitizing hands as well as surroundings and belongings. Make sure you don't touch your face, especially eyes, nose and mouth, without cleaning your hands first. All these are normal healthy practices which you would be practicing year-round. This virus is transmitted through direct contact with respiratory droplets of an infected person, especially through coughing and sneezing. It is spread also through touching surfaces contaminated with the virus. So make sure you cover your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing and avoid greetings through contact such as handshakes. The elderly and those with the underlying medical problems such as high blood pressure, heart problems or diabetes, or anyone with a lower immunity are more likely to develop serious illnesses. Ironically, some people with good immune system might be tested positive without any symptoms at all. Avoid close contact with people with illnesses. If you are sick, please don't hesitate to go to a doctor and get yourself checked. Watch out for symptoms such as fever, sore throat, dry cough, nasal congestion and fatigue. Stay at home to avoid spread of the disease. UAE government provides free coronavirus checkups in all government hospitals and clinics. Early detection and treatment of symptoms can indeed save lives.
From school closures to travel restrictions, coronavirus has increasing effects in our daily life. Upon returning to UAE, students and staff of educational institutions are bound to declare travel history, go through medical checkups and commit to a home quarantine for a period of 14 days to ensure that they are free of the disease. Extraordinary situation like the outbreak of coronavirus has brought the relevance of distance learning tools to the focus. Digital classrooms are adopted. Google Classroom and Microsoft Teams are some of the most popular platforms in this field. We are eagerly looking forward to such progressive changes in the field of education. Online platforms could be used for interactive and fun learning. This could be a fresh wave of change in UAE education field, as homeschooling is an untouched concept here. Many companies are now adopting work from home options. This is yet another positive outcome of COVID-19, where flexible remote working can be considered as an efficient alternative.
To date, almost 100 cases of coronavirus are reported in UAE. New cases are being discovered as a result of continuous and active investigation and examination of those who came in contact with the previously confirmed infected individuals who were quarantined.
So friends, on a positive note, there's nothing to panic even in these times of COVID-19. Even though it's a fast-spreading epidemic, the mortality rate is as low as 2 to 4%.
Let's be calm and cool and stay at home. Lounge on your sofas with a good book, binge watch your favorite movies, series, or there are a lot of interesting videos you can watch in our YouTube channel as well. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon, as you wouldn't want to miss on the latest updates. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and share with your friends and family, and let us know in the comments below. Let us not panic or spread unwanted tensions. Stay positive, adopt healthy lifestyles, doing exercises, having good food, make ourselves strong enough, and together we can defeat the virus. Hopefully next time we have to speak about COVID-19 in our channel, we would have already defeated the virus.